What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Scion Smart Key remote fob. This remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that to the side for now. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the side of the key fob, you can kind of see where the case is put together. We see this crack right here. What we're going to do is take our screwdriver and very carefully run it in the crack like this. And you just want to go slowly and carefully so we're not damaging the case. Also, you don't want to slip and accidentally stab yourself in the hand. So just take your time and work around. And then when you get far enough, it'll pop the case all the way apart. And we can pull the back off. Once we get the back of the case off, we see the battery cover right here. And you can use your screwdriver to get under the edge of it and get that picked up. Dump the old battery out. And we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up like that. So you have your new battery in there. Snap that battery cover back down, and then we can snap the back of the case on. Make sure that's all the way snapped down. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.